people, did you know that bananas are berries? Yes, bananas are actually classified as berries. Quite a big chunk of my growing up was in rural Kenya, and yet I wasn't really that exposed to banana plants. I was in my mid-20s when I first got a close encounter with a banana plant. I happened to be present when my neighbors were harvesting their banana bunch from the plant. I was almost in tears when I realized that once the banana bunch is harvested, the plant is of no use and has to be cut down. I could not believe it. I was, what? Cut the whole tree? I had never come across such a concept. Since then, I got so fascinated by the banana plants. Did you know that the banana plant is actually not a tree? It is a herbaceous plant related to gingers. There are quite a number of varieties of bananas, some to be cooked and some to be eaten ripe. I'm still fascinated and learning. I love them both ripened and cooked. I love them